Within the United States, there are 3 active supervolcanoes. They are the Valles Caldera in New Mexico, Yellowstone in Wyoming, and the Long Valley Caldera in California. Each of these have produced incredibly large volume explosive eruptions which permanently changed the overall landscape. Yet, there is another young supervolcano located in Nevada. Zooming in from satellite, several large circular depressions in the ground can be observed. These depressions represent calderas which were formed in eruptions more than 100 times the size of the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. Large volume magma chambers were partially emptied by these eruptions, causing wide swaths of land to collapse downwards like a sinkhole to form a caldera. This group of overlapping calderas is today referred to as the Timber Mountain supervolcano, which is now extinct. Today, this area is of great economic importance as this unusual supervolcano is the source of one of the world's largest lithium deposits, which will be mined for centuries to come to power the way for green energy technologies. This video will discuss this supervolcano, and how it relates to the lithium deposit in question. The Timber Mountain supervolcano is located 20 miles or 32 kilometers northeast of the town of Beatty in Nevada. It contains 3 complexes of calderas which correspond to different eras of activity of the overall supervolcano. The Timber Mountain supervolcano began forming 15.5 million years ago, when a large volume of magma intruded into the crust. Although exactly what fed this magma is unknown, it seeped into the crust along a series of cracks since the overall landscape was being spread apart to the east and west. Then, over hundreds of thousands of years, it built up in the underlying crust. During this time, the magma became more silica-rich as it leached material from the surrounding crust. Then, 15.25 million years ago, a massive eruption began on the surface. As a large amount of molten rock and ash was expelled high into the atmosphere, pyroclastic flows raced across the surrounding landscape, traveling more than 50 miles or 80 kilometers before they stopped.